Alright guys, so I'm so glad you decided to click in this video today because you are going to learn how to make sofrito. We are needing some ingredients and I'm going to show you what they are. Now this is something that we use in Puerto Rico. I don't know if other countries do, but this gives that extra touch and flavor to your foods. And I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in and show you what it is. So we're going to be using onions, garlic cloves. If you get them with a shield around it, it's alright. You can just peel it out. Yellow, green, and red bell peppers. Then we have this thing that is called cilantro and culantro. And then you could use the oil of your choice. I'm going to be using, because that's the only one I have, canola oil. Okay? Now, it all depends how much you want to make. So maybe you want to make a couple jars so you need more. But this is probably for, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 jars. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and wash all these vegetables. And then I'll show you how everything looks cut. And then we're going to throw it into the blender, right? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my onion. Peel out, you know, a little layer out. It's totally up to you how you want to cut it because everything is going to go right inside the blender. So, but this is the way I'm going to go ahead and cut mine. If you want to kind of help the blender, especially the blender that I have, I don't have a Ninja. So do what I got to do. Alright, so then for the culantro, we are going to go ahead and cut the ends of it. Now you don't have to do them one at a time. You could just grab a couple and also throw them in there, alright? Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and cut down now the cilantro. If you don't know what cilantro looks like, I'm going to go ahead and just show you. And you can find it on your produce area. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut it all up for you. And me personally, well, I don't care of the sticks. I'll leave them in there. I'm not gonna cut the whole thing, being that we don't have a lot going on in here. So once I chop this up, then I'll show you the next thing that I'm doing. All right, and now we have the yellow, red, and green bell peppers. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it, take out the part that is inside, the little seeds, and then I'll chop them up and also put them in there, okay? All right, so everything is already nice and chopped. My green peppers, yellow and red, cilantro, culantro, my onion, everything is inside there because it's already peeled. So. But I'm gonna start putting everything in and just watch me blend.
Also, just to let you know, if you want to, you could also buy sweet bell pepper, combine with all these things and put them in the blender. I didn't purchase any, I totally forgot. But just with these ingredients, it smells amazing and it does, you know, a lot for your food. Now, if you don't know what sofrito is good for, basically, if you're making yellow rice, beans, chicken, and other things, you can use this for this extra taste and flavor to your foods. Now, notice how I put the oil in the bottom. It helps the blender to blend everything, so it's better for your blades. You know, it goes nice in your blades.
Show you how I'm gonna store these, and it's very cheap. So if you want to go ahead and do it just like me, then basically I went to the dollar store and I got these mason jars. If you have jars at home, maybe from your pickles or anything like that, you could go ahead and clean them out and use them as well.
All right, so there you have it, sofrito on the mason jar. It looks and smells amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.